You walk into a room and nobody notices you. Sound familiar? You speak. But somehow, no one really listens. Why does this keep happening? You start wondering, is it me? What am I doing wrong? Here's the truth. The version of you that people respect already exists. You're just not showing it yet. It starts with something simple, eye contact. Holding it says, I am not afraid of you. When someone loses control and you stay calm, you instantly become the most powerful person in the room. Real respect is earned through one underrated skill, truly listening, not waiting to talk, listening. And this one will surprise you. People respect those who can say no without guilt or explanation. Walking away from disrespect calmly is louder than any argument you could win. Respect isn't demanded. It's radiated by how you carry yourself every single day. When you truly own your presence, people don't just notice you, they listen. The most respected people alive all share one thing, unbreakable personal boundaries. When someone tries to provoke you and you don't react, you've already won. Speak slowly. Pause on purpose. It signals that your words carry weight. You don't need to demand space. Carry yourself right, and the world makes room for you. Saying no to things that don't serve you isn't rude. It's self-respect in action. Here's a trick most people miss. Owning your mistakes openly builds more respect, not less. Because when people feel safe around you, they are naturally drawn to you. Every single day is a chance to become the version of yourself the world can't ignore. It all starts here. Respect yourself first. The rest of the world will follow. And if you want more powerful psychology tricks that can change your life, hit that subscribe button right now on Mind Unlocked. Don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Until then, keep unlocking your mind.